What's up guys? For today's video, we had our Youth Leaders Camp 2025. Let's go! Sceneries? What's up guys?
Anong nilook forward mo na ngayong 3 days mission natin?
3 days mission natin. Share mo ba ng gospel kayo? Parang masaya.
Ako naman, nilook forward ko talaga yung swimming pool. Yun. Tapos yung mga pwede mag-chess naman natin.
Kaya kuya, 5 AM, dapat gising na tayo. Diretso na tayo sa pool agad.
Puting maleta pa, JM.
Sabi ko, leader daw yung 35 years old.
Alright guys, we're here at RRC. Let's go! So saan tayo pupunta? Hindi, sa Hautala Hall. Ba? Hautala Hall. Alright. Tara!
Lumakbo ng pagsihan.
Kuha tayo ay
Pagsihan, 47 number 40.
Okay guys, I got my ID. Let's go! So, naglalaro lang sila ngayon. Punta pa lang namin dito sa RRC. Ikot-ikot ako.
I see the move. Oh, no. Ay, ano ba yan? Oh, ano? Wala na, tala na ako. Ay, resign.
For the vlog naman yun.
Let's go ate Iya.
Nalaglag. Ayun ba yung nalaglag?
Yes ate. Wow. Lucky oh. 4 hectares. 4 hectares? Grabe.
Or bigger.
Hey! Oh! Guys, ayun pala yung sinasabi ni Kuya Dean na basketball court na pwedeng i-dunk. Grabe.
Dan, nag-swimming ka?
Mamaya?
Nag-swimming ka na?
Nag-swimming na siya.
Yes.
There's a
Swimming na talaga ako, guys.
Because,
Boom! Ang laki yun. Diyan pala yung sa, sa campfire. Tapos ito yung sa bridge. Ito yung sa bridge.
Sabi nila. Ito yung swimming pool. Saka yung pool.
Wow! Ganda ng pulo.
Kinultivate nila to. Ay, kinultivate, inayos nila to.
Ang ganda.
Ito sa bridge.
Pwede ba? Pwede ba sa beach? Grabe, explore na agad eh. No?
Ano ka ba?
Hello!
Go Pink!
Let's go, Pink! Do not intentionally shake the bridge. Grabe, na ano ako ah. Nailang ako. Kuya, nailang talaga ako. Hindi ko kaya. Nailang ako. Nailang ako. Oy!
Ano, okay ka lang?
Yes. Kay Kuya din yan?
Oo.
Wow!
Hi, Kian!
Wow! Grabe. May koi ba dito?
Ayan, ang koi yan.
Koi fish?
Ayan,
Yun!
koi. Tilapia, koi, tsaka hindi ko alam kung ano yung niluluto.
Wow! Pinag-aaralan niyo ba yan kay Justin? Hindi.
Hindi ko pinatakil yung ganyan. Ibang department na yun.
Ibang department na yun. Animal Planet. Go Ate Janine!
Pinakamagandang campus.
Ang announcer ko po. Hey!
Ito talaga. Mario.
What happened? What happened?
I donked. I did a 480 donk on LJ, and it was so good that I got sliced out of nowhere. It was so cool.
Oh no.
Did you bring a ball?
Yeah. Oh, what's up guys? Kasama namin Kuya Har.
Ay, taray talaga. Oh.
Ang Korean ano ng Metro East.
Jericho! Dito, dito, dito. Sir, here to signalize that I'm hungry. Kulang apat. Yes, sir, I'm hungry.
Let's go Pink! Pink Edible Pioneers. Ito, pink to, pink.
Hello.
Grabe, ang ganda ng pink sa'yo. Si Jericho na lang. Bakula kayo na si Jericho. Si Erin.
Ano, Macy? Ano masasabi mo?
Sino si Erin? Hindi ka naka-pink.
Ay, sorry ate. Sorry. Hindi ako naka-pink eh. Nasa bag eh.
Yung iyan ng camera, nakakatakot.
Eh, hindi naka-0.5 naman. No worries.
Apple na yan.
15. Guys, si Pastor Noel.
Ay, hindi ako basta.
Hi, Kuya. Hi, Kuya.
Stop na kayo.
Nang kay Ate Iya. So guys, kakain na po kami ng pinakamasarap na pagkain dito sa ours.
Tama.
Let's go.
In the world. And it's something we're very proud of here. RRC Talks are part of who we have always been. And so this is a top show showing you
do what they were made to do until they have a relationship with the spinner, in this case with me. When they have a relationship with me, that's when they can do what they were made to do. And people were made for a reason. God made people to glorify Him and to enjoy Him forever. But Jesus said in John 15, on the string falls off. But once it's spinning, it doesn't fall off the string anymore. And not only does it not fall off the string, it doesn't matter. It will stay in the same position. And if you love
wala pang ID. Meron.
Ayan, please make
Orientation.
sure that
Orientation.
ID because there are counters. That is not part of our group. For us to be able to recognize saan camper pala ng ENC to yung mga makukulit. So we have the precious Juliet and Sam.
Awardings.
Okay, then.
Kuya Charles! I wanna sleep, bro.
Manuel! Manuel!
Hi. Okay guys, punta kami sa Thailand. I mean, Thailand po ang room namin. Pangalan.
Ano trip natin?
Ha?
Yan. Saan tayo?
Sa Thailand.
Thailand tayo?
Ni hao. Ay, iba pala. Iba pala yun. Iba pala yun.
Sawadi Kai. Sawadi Kap.
Kasawadi Cup?
Sawadi Kap. Sawadi.
Hey!
Okay kayo sa vlog?
Hi guys! Hi! Welcome to my... There you go. Kasi napahingal kami sa...
Yung aircon bukas na. Ay, sorry. Yes, sir! Guys, nasa Thailand na tayo.
Yun, Thailand! Thailand!
Woo! Ate, welcome to Thailand.
Nasa Thailand tayo!
Hi po.
Yeah, pwede ko.
2,000 years later.
Yun!
Backflip.
malapit na.
Malapit na.
Eh.
Kanan din.
Okay, so anong gagawin natin? Ay, yung bola. Mag-basketball na tayo. Andun na yung bola. Andun na yung bola. The original GG7.
Dadayo tayo.
From Thailand.
Mga galing Kupang. Coach Mab. Ako lang yung...
Kuya Reggie.
Dito ba tayo?
Eh.
Ayan, ano lang.
Pipas.
Sayang. Sayang naman. Okay guys, super pagod na kami. So, at least nakapaglaro na. Let's go. Grabe, haggard ko na. Pagod na ako.
Ay, nakaikiyan! Dalawang bandana. Nasa saan yung ba gusto mo? Actually, meron po ako extra na. Nagbibihis ng
Sino team leader mo? Betty Kian, hindi mo na natin really good. Joke lang.
Uy, meron kaming dito. You don't know.
Hindi, joke lang. Basher ko lang to.
Sila ang gumawa nito.
Uy, joke lang, Aliyah. Inaano ko lang to.
Dito, hindi nila ito.
So, focus dito si Kian. Hi guys. Okay na kayo.
Saan pala natin ng
Ano yan ate?
ng saksakan?
Ano tawag dyan?
Mga doodle faces. Doodle faces.
Wala.
Hi, guys.
Wala kayo.
Saan na kayo? Dito
Ano
na
Kuya
ako.
Gab? Ano man sabi niyo?
Thank you. Go.
Ngiti daw, ngiti.
Thank you guys.
Ooh! Grabe. Hey!
Tom! Gusto ko may gawin lalapit tayo. Hi!
Wow! You want McDonald's?
Paano yung seat?
Ordinary will give you.
Seat? Hello!
Oh! What? 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 Tayo!
Good. Tayo. Wow, hindi nagtatagalog yan. English.
Oh, you don't speak Tagalog? Stand up! Oh! What? Oh, wala lang, miss lang.
Wala ka na lang yan? White lang. So, white or pink lang. White na lang ito. Pink. Okay na yun pala. Wala pa lang.
Isang block. Tapos yung sa block na lang, ipuno na lang natin ng 2 pioneers kahit maliit. Okay. Para kahit ano siya, mag-isa lang siya, stand out siya.
And then, saka siya lututin. We're going to cut it. Hindi ko alam next bit. Be careful you might be paper cut. What are we gonna do? And then, we're gonna dip it on the umbrella.
Oh my God.
That's our prop. Dinosaur tower.
And then we're going to write it, not like that. That's right.
Let's go, pink team!
It's half na. Walang... Yeah. Hindi, pink. That's pink.
Itong
Okay.
pink daw, pink. And then yung red ribbons ay black.
Anong color to? Anong color to? Ito.
The background.
The background.
This one is yellow.
Yellow.
It's gonna pop.
Okay.
Yeah. It's gonna burn.
And then this one, I color pink ulit.
Pink ulit.
Yes, this one is pink. But how can we make the pink out of this color?
Wow.
Very good.
If you want to make purple.
Yeah. How about? How about if you want to make color green, even if we don't have green? Very good.
Wow! Hindi ko alam yun.
Ano ba? How about orange? How can we make orange? Oh, very good.
Good job. You're smart.
Work muna. Ayun na priority.
Incredible. DI, diba?
Come on.
Yung mga payong
Pink red. Ah, okay.
Incredible. Balik na lang ito. Kanina you're so cute.
Shout out.
Okay na nadala mo.
Shout out po kay Marco Obispo
Wala pa itong ano?
sa Team Purple.
Ay, na.
And this one, kanino itong one black pink?
Ah, baby, ah.
Paano?
It's dinner time. Shout out, shout out!
Ano, shoutout po sa Victory Kainta. Mabuhay!
Parang ikaw rin nabuhay. Ay, so... Yay! Come on guys, it's dinner time. Day 1 dito sa RRC. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Di pa ako makain, masarap na. Hey! Kuya Ber! Come on! Umay, hindi ako masarap. Eh!
Bumata ka ng 10 years. 10 years lang? Kamusta yung sugat? 15 years. Hindi na ganun.
2,000 years later.
Kian! Let's go! Laban, Kian, laban!
Kasi hindi inubos yung pagkain.
Isa siyang superhero. Ayun o. Chag, chag, chag.
Lapot niya eh!
Pero yan, meron pa sila. More.
Go, Kian!
Yun o. Sige pa,
Go,
kaya
Kian, laban!
Huwag ka maniwala sa utak mo. Magtiwala ka.
Believe na kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Konti na lang!
Let's go. Let's go.
lang.
Woo!
Kian!
Kaya, konti na lang. Konti na
Laban!
lang.
Konti na lang! Laban!
Yun!
Yun! Ayan na, sino kakain niya?
Ayun guys, sumuka ako.
Superhero to zero.
Come on. Welcome campers. Ayan. Sabi dito,
Yung kinakain namin sa camp.
we're so excited to be hanging out with you for the next 3 days. Here's a snack stash that hopefully help you feel fuel the whole time. Yes, sir.
Kasabay yan for 3 days.
Veggie bar. Sino gumawa? Wait, what's this? Wow, candy. Feeling ko galing to sa Yutango din, no? Kinuha, tapos lagay dito. Hindi, joke lang. Baka makita. Come on. Next session. Let's go, Jesus. Come on, Kuya Jay. Ano role niyo ngayon?
Video pala to.
Video, ano role niyo ngayon?
Hindi, pero cash pesa.
Come on. Hey! Hey!
Marikina, El Cainta, at may isang taga San Pablo. Meron taga ESC San Pablo. Nasaan si Emer? Ayan, si Emer. No? Ayan, so, Campus Missionary din siya. You know, gusto ko lang din take time na to, no? Batiin. Happy birthday, girl. 2 Timothy 4:7, yung verse na sinabi, ito yung sinabi ni Paul, no? I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, I have kept the faith. You know, when we look at the life of Paul, hindi yung preaching ko na, pero hindi natin yung buhay ni Paul, no? It wasn't easy. He faced character. It's not just mere intellectual agreement. It's not blind belief. It's an active trust and loyalty to God. Even when the promises are not yet fully there. To trust kahit na walang-wala ka na. To trust kahit puro problema na. To trust kahit pakiramdam mo mag-isa ka. To trust kahit feeling mo walang sagot sa mga pinagdarasal mo. It is trusting in God's character and promises. And that faith leads us to obedience and or perseverance. And the woman, the bleeding woman, persevered because she had faith. Kahit na natatakot siya, kahit na nanginginig siya. Sabi sa verse...
Hey, Daywood!
Come on, guys. Kailangan talaga natin ng madaming tissue. I-regret wala akong ng tissue. Come on!
For sure, day 2 tsaka day 3.
Action!
Sasara ko muna, mamaya na. So yun guys. Ay ka muna. Hey! Kuha na tayo ng ID, nandito na tayo sa RRC. Rizal Recreation. Come on! Nasa ano po kami? How tall po? How tall? How tall are you? Ay, dun.
Pinamagandang campus.
Ano kaya?
Night 1.
Grabe. Night 1, night 1. Night 1, night 1. Okay, so
Anong team nyo?
Team nyo.
What happened, pink team? Why are you crying again? Okay, game. Bye. Picture ba to?
video po.
Ano mo yun?
Let's say pink. 1, 2, 3, go.
Parang,
Parang tunog utot siya, no?
Guys, good job kayo.
Guys, may iwanan si Ate Janelle. Bye-bye.
bye guys.
Yes, pakiiwan na.
Ayun si Ate Marian. Na-stress na.
Shout out Kian.
Sino ba leader na ito?
Sino po?
At Irish ko nasan ka pa. Susan ka lang.
Bawal maglabas ng pagkain gamit ang bibig.
Oo, naman ang ano lang siya nung magkikita.